Welcome to qnawire.
Hello friends, as shown in the figure, there is a long trough is supported by continuous hinges along its lower edge and by a series of horizontal cables attached to the upper edge. We have to find the tension in each cable at a time. When trough is completely filled, let us see it. We have to draw the free body diagram. This is the cable. It is the tension T. Weight will act here. This will be 4R upon 3 pi. This is the pressure P. Two by three of R. (20 inch). At A there will be a reaction AY and AX. Weight will be a specific weight into its volume. Volume will be pi by 4 R square L, and water force will be gamma into R, half RL. So it will be half gamma R square L. Now calculating moment of couple about A to be 0, considering anti-clockwise to be positive, we get T into R minus gamma weight into R must be 0. This value is this distance 4R by 3P. So we need to take this distance 4R upon 3 pi. Substitute the value. T into R minus weight. Weight is gamma into pi R square L upon 4 into 4R upon 3 pi minus P. half gamma r square L into r by 3 must be 0. So from here P will be half gamma r square L. Substituting the value for water, gamma is 62.4, radius is 24 by 12 feet, length is 20 feet, so it will be 208.0 pound. That's all for it. Thanks for watching it.